Hi everyone. Welcome Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can avoid yourself from showing up on quick ad of other Snapchat users. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the gear button. Now, scroll until you can find the See Me in Quick Add option. Open it and toggle off the button. And that's it. Snapchat will no longer show you on the Quick Add option of other Snapchat users. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.